Hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, privyet, ni hao, hello? Yeah, I need me some Duolingo. Yes, that language learning app which recently announced new experiences powered by AI at its annual DuoCon event. The premium feature video call enables subscribers to engage in spontaneous conversations with an AI character named Lily. This is available initially for subscribers learning English, Spanish, or French. Meanwhile, Duolingo Adventures immerses learners in a digital world for an exploration game-like experience, allowing them to apply their language skills to realistic scenarios. The company also announced a partnership with Logue to create a compact and portable electric piano designed for the Duolingo music course. These offerings drove optimism about potentially higher average revenue per user. Then, Rocket Lab continues to soar to a new 52-week high after successfully launching its 53rd Electron mission amid significant growth in its operations and financial performance. The aerospace manufacturer and small satellite launch service provider saw its stock price surge by over 79% in the past year, reflecting investor confidence. The company recently announced a 71% increase in Q2 revenue, mainly attributed to the success of its Electron rocket. Rocket Lab also expanded its board with Kenneth Possenriede, a former Lockheed Martin executive, and appointed Frank Klein as COO, tasked with scaling up spacecraft manufacturing. The company is also shipping 2 spacecraft for NASA's Mars mission. Now, an update on Nano Nuclear energy, which has been granted the U.S. Department of Energy's Gateway for Accelerated Innovation in Nuclear Voucher Award for the independent assessment of its novel heat exchanger concept, which supports the company's patent-pending Zeus microreactor. The award will enable Nano Nuclear to collaborate with Idaho National Laboratory, INL, on an independent evaluation of the design for open-air Brayton cycle. The 45-foot high-cube container-based Zeus microreactor generates between 1 and 2 megawatts of electricity without fluid coolant, while its heat exchanger concept simplifies its design. Since 2016, GAIN has awarded over 100 vouchers to businesses seeking commercialization support for advanced nuclear technologies. For more on these and other companies, please stay tuned.